Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. I am Tanu Srivastava and today we will discuss the chapter Formatting a Document. We use MS Word, word processing software to create the document where we easily can do the typing and prepare the document. Today we will learn the formatting features of the document. Formatting means changing the appearance of a document to make it attractive. We can change its color, size, style, design, everything we can do to make it attractive. There are different options for formatting are changing font and its style. We also can change the color, we can change their size. Highlighting certain words. Among the given paragraph, we can highlight some words using the given feature to attract the user's attention. To draw the user's attention. Adjusting line spacing. Line spacing is the vertical distance between the successive lines of the text in a document. In this slide, you can see all the line having the equal distance. This is called the line spacing. Margins. Margin is the distance between the page border and the text. We can adjust the margin according to our requirement. Aligning text. Alignment refers to the positioning of text on a page. There are 4 types of alignment: right, left, center and justify. By default, we start from the left side. In copy you have seen, in the computer we do the same work. That is called left alignment. Creating bulleted and numbered list. In this window you can see all the line having the dash in front in the beginning. That is the kind of bullet. Changing text case. In changing text case, we can display the text in different manner. We can display the text in capital letter. We write in small letter and can change in capital letter. We write in capital letter, can change in small letter. There is one more option given where the first letter will display in small, rest will be capital. That is called the text case. And applying border, you can applying border effect to the document to make it attractive. Now we will see the font. Font option is given in the home group. What do you mean by the font? First we see the character of a specific size and design used for typing the text are called the font. When we click on this option, we get in the home tab. You can see the mouse pointer. Clicking on that, it provides you a list. List is given there. When you select any design among them, it will display your text in different style. This is called the font style. Beside that, option is given for the font size. When you click on that small triangle, it will show you the size, and using that you can change its size also. You can change the size of the text. Highlighting the word. The font style option are used to emphasize the text and catch the reader's attention. It makes the selected word darker than the rest of the text. Italic. It emphasizes the text by slanting it to the right side. Underline. It places the line under the text. It draw the line under the text, that is called the underline. Below you can see the example for bold, italic and underline. The shortcut key for bold is Ctrl plus B. For the italic we use Ctrl plus I, and Ctrl plus U is used for underlining the text. Thank you girls.